We have here packed up in an airtight bag, and we're going to open up, show you how it expands. A nice soft blanket, nice and large, for Father's Day. Properly showing you what it says. I stand 6 feet tall, and it covers just about the whole body. On the opposite side is white. A nice close-up shot at the material. It's machine washable, easy to fold and store away. Has different sayings all over the blanket. So if you're looking for a blanket for a gift for a father, a loved one, this product may be something that you are looking for in a Father's Day gift. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. Enjoy your Father's Day blanket. Check online again for further details about your product. Thank you again for viewing.